Alright, welcome back to another day in the channel, you guys. So today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on a year from officially when I started my lock journey. Just wanted to come to you guys and provide you guys with a quick update. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right on into it. As you can see, I have my hair curly, protected up. Alright, so first off, as you guys can see, my hair has grew exponentially. As you can see, some will say I'm no longer in that budding phase. My hair is, starting to lock. As you guys can see, right now it's about eyebrow length. I'm continuing to, make sure I'm oiling my scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week and getting my retwist at least once a month. Seeing that my hair is getting longer and my locks are beginning to lock, I'm going to be stretching out my retwist. Just because it's no longer needed as often, because my hair is starting to lock and doesn't require as much maintenance, but it still requires the upkeep as far as oiling and watering my scalp. Just wanted to come to you guys and give you guys a quick little update. I'm also going to be putting a video following this as well, showing you guys my most recent retwist. Alright, so make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe in the comment box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick update. We're also going to be dropping more videos to come very, very shortly. So hope you guys stay tuned. And until next time.